Hey Alex, how tall was Joel when the last time you saw him?
Pretty short.
What?
It's pretty short.
You were like what, 5 feet? But at that time,
Yeah.
or like,
He
okay,
was like as tall as like a little taller than Oliver, but not by much.
okay. Assuming that he didn't grow at all during the break, he should be like 5'8". That means I'm like 7 inches taller than him. Also, the size of my PP, 7 inches. Oh yeah. Everywhere I'm a poop in your hair.
Hmm.
Cause and you're all the two dumbest people I know.
Yeah.
No, Justin fishing.
Oh my god.
Can you guys get on siege
I'm playing Minecraft.
right now?
Wow. Wow.
Right now?
I'm playing Minecraft.
You're in Minecraft. Can I join you?
Hypixel.
Can I
Skyblock.
join you?
Skyblock Hypixel Koa.
Oh, Skyblock.
Yes.
Okay, Skyblock. Maybe.
Bed Wars is not fun for me. I don't like it. Like your Groovy.
Wait, Seal's going on a trip? No, I'm serious. Seal's going on a trip.
And our favorite rocket ship.
Oh my god. We're going
Our
on a
favorite
trip to your
rocket
mom's
ship.
house.
And our favorite rocket
I'm in
ship.
your mom's house.
Make
I'm
me
your
on the
mom's
car.
house.
Broom broom. Get out my
I
car.
give you
Oh.
arousal. Why do you guys always talk in announcements?
Make me on
My
this
cock
car.
is so
Broom broom.
green and like a machine.
Machines aren't green. Like no,
Well,
like they
it
could
could
be,
be.
but like they could be, but the thing is like you're saying like a machine, but the majority of machines aren't green.
My cock is swift like a machine. It's Phil Swift.
Who's so swift?
My penis that's blue and it fix you.
Dee 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 doo.
Oh, blue.
I was sitting in the gaff and I had no clue, so I had to do something to do. Yes, I was sitting in the gaff and I had no clue, so I had to vote. Grew. RJ, vote grew or vote blue? This is the real question. It's the war of voting blue versus grew. La 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 la. Your Koa collapse a lot.
My penis is blue like your mom says. Ooh, ooh.
Oh,
Ah, poo,
oh,
ah,
oh,
poo.
oh.
My penis is blue.
Oh, not.
And it's. My abs are really green. I touch your green bean.
You just found green with a green bean.
I will poop in poo. I won't say ooh.
You just did though. Come on, non. Can't fool us.
I'm gonna shit anywhere. I nutted in underwear. Where is my toe? Your mom is a toe.
Ding 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 ding. Dun, 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 dun. This is gonna be the best groove of my life. The best groove. Zip.
I touch your parents.
What? I am Killer Bean. I am a monkey that is quite chunky. And it's got the funk, just like a monk. Gonna slam dunk on Ka and our jaw. Ka? More like our jaw? Cause what? Wait, cause what?
I'm gonna touch your freaking peen. It
I
looking
am.
very green.
I'm currently watching Killer Bean.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the monkey of my life. Not that. Hey, what was that one song by Republic City? Wait, do you guys know Republic City? Hold on, wait, hold on, I remember this one song from them. Republic City. Oh, no, shoot. City band. Shoot, what was it called again? Oh, Capital City. Capital City. Capital City. They made this song. Da, 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 da. Are they them? Are they? Capital City. Oh, wait, look at Discord.